So, it's 38 degrees centigrade in the Netherlands, and here's a video I didn't plan to make. My wheel bearing, my rear right wheel bearing has backed up, and while doing some research I find that many people describe the noise of a wheel bearing as a sort of a helicopter noise going and vibrating violently. It's not always true. Sometimes it sounds exactly like those stripes on the road, those audible stripes. That make it clear to you that you're not driving on the road properly. I'm going to point the camera, or my phone rather, at my rear right wheel in the back of the car, where you can hear it best, and have a listen. And in case you're now thinking, well, how do you know it's not a tire or something else dragging? Well, I just lifted up the car, and here's the result. There's your problem.